Have you ever heard a song and you don't know its name? With this application you will be able to find the song in just a few seconds on the web. All you have to do is enter your Play Store and download the Shazam application. Then you must wait while your application loads, then click Open. And Shazam will be configured. Now you will have the main screen. If you are listening to a song on another device, click on the gray circle on the screen and then the app will ask you if you want to record audio. Click on while the app is in use. There you will have as a search result the name of the song, the YouTube video and topics you may also like. And track information. You can find the share button. On the upper right hand side, you have 3 points. If you click on them you can find Open in Apple Music, Open in Spotify and delete from your library, and Connect in Spotify and share, and then Wrong Song. In this button you can share the song you have found through your social networks. Click on the back arrow and go back to the main screen. You can click on the library and you will find Shazam's artists, playlist for you and recent Shazams. If you now click on View All you can read the list of songs you have found. In ranking you can find Colombia's hit list. You can also use the magnifying glass icon to search directly for a song or artist you want to listen to.